you look at the corporate world right now, guys, something actually doesn't add up. Major tech giants that you know, like Microsoft, like Meta, are laying off thousands of employees, but their profits are always hitting record highs. Now, think about this logically. If a company is making more money than ever, then why are they letting go of their very important or quote and unquote very important staffs? Now, the answer is uncomfortable, but it makes a lot of perfect business senses. These companies are not downsizing to save money. I mean, they've got all of the monies they need for anything. They are restructuring to rehire. They are shifting their capital away from traditional slow moving roles, I mean traditional and slow moving roles, and dumping billions into AI driven automation. Now, look, businesses have never cared about how anyone works or how hardworking you have always been. They simply care about friction. They care about how long it takes for an idea to become a live asset in the market. If a traditional team takes 2 weeks to build a funnel, I mean to build a functional funnel, to create graphics, and of course maybe to launch a landing page, but one single professional armed with a live AI framework does exact same thing in the afternoon. So welcome to this section of the masterclass. This is the slide I promised I was going to share with you. And of course, in this particular slide, you are going to see the possibility of commanding high income roles. I mean, basically, you are going to become an AI driven professional. You are going to learn to become an AI driven professional, commanding high premium income roles, right? I mean, attracting high income premium roles. You're going to be learning to leverage automated frameworks and thrive also in the new digital economy. So moving on to the next slide, I'm going to be discussing something called the Silicon Valley pivots, right? And of course, the Silicon Valley pivots, of course, you do understand what Silicon Valley is. I mean, the tech hub in the United States. I mean, this is where you basically have the emergence of major tech innovations, I mean, in the world. So of course, it is safe to say that Silicon Valley is the hub or is the originator of most of the techs that we currently use right now, including artificial intelligence. Do you understand? So now what exactly do I want to discuss in this particular slide? I want to discuss a global restructuring, right? Because right now, guys, there is a global restructuring that is happening at the top of the tech chain, right? And of course, it is also very important to note that traditional career planning is no longer a bulletproof. So whatever it is that you currently do traditionally, whatever it is that you currently do right now as a job or maybe as something you have built over the years as a career is no longer a bulletproof. Why? Because there is a global restructuring happening everywhere in all sphere of life. I mean, in all sphere of career, do you understand? People's career. Talk about tech, talk about health, talk about food, talk about agriculture, talk about education. There's a global restructuring because of generative AI. I mean, artificial intelligence. Do you understand? So now let's look at the corporate landscape in 2026. Obviously, we are going to be considering a strategic shift in 2026, right? Now, the global headcount restructuring. Tech giants, like talk about Meta, talk about Microsoft, talk about Google, are intentionally flattening traditional administrative and entry-level digital roles. They are not scaling down, they are shifting budgets, and they are rehiring for practical AI execution capabilities. Guys, this is very interesting to note. All of the tech giants that talk about Meta, Microsoft, Google, and the rest of them, these guys are not scaling down. You can't expect a guy like Google to scale down. For why? You can't expect a guy like Meta or Microsoft to scale down. These guys are not scaling down, they are shifting budget, and their budget isn't getting shifted to hiring more traditional workers. Their budget is shifting right now to practical AI execution. Anyone who's got the capability to use AI and to use AI for the purpose of getting results is going to benefit immensely from Google's budget, I mean Meta's budget, right? So yeah, it simply tells you, it simply gives you this mental understanding that if these big guys are spending so much money, billions of dollars into practical AI execution, then what exactly are you waiting for? Why are you not upskilling as well? Do you understand? Now let's look at the evolution of work, right? The obsolete model, relying solely on paper degrees. A lot of people still rely on paper degrees, and I pity them so much, right? I mean, I've got friends who did not even go to the university. I've got friends who did not even finish what we call the ordinary national diploma in Nigeria, and these guys are raking in millions of naira every month, courtesy of tech. These guys know how to build products. These guys know how to build and ship products, and they're making crazy money. I mean, I've got friends. I currently have a friend who makes no less than 5 to 6 million naira every month building web applications for clients. And this guy did not go past secondary school. The answer. So the obsolete work model. See, guys, we've got people in the bank. We've got corporates who currently don't earn as much as 350,000 every month, even with their masters or PhDs here in Africa, right? Yeah. But on the other hand, we've got people that you would tag as illiterate, quote and unquote, and these guys are making hell of amounts of money every month. That is because of the obsolete model, which relies solely on paper degrees, manual execution speed, theoretical concepts, and generic prompt copy pasting, right? Competing purely on low prices in crowded local freelancer networks. Yeah, so it actually went a bit higher, right? These guys sometimes have degree, but they also have some bit of knowledge about tech. But the knowledge of tech they have is playing on the same level with every other person competing competitively in a crowded freelancer workplace, right? So on the other hand, we have the AI-driven asset, which is obviously architecting live custom AI workflows, automating campaign pipelines, building high conversion digital real estate, and commanding premium retainers globally. I currently have a client in the US that I do social media management for, and this client pays well. I mean, when I say pay well, she pays well. And all of the things I use in doing this work is simply generative AI. Do you understand? Yeah, generative AI, you create content, you also automate this content to go out. Yeah, so that is the evolution of work, guys. The AI-driven asset and the obsolete model, which relies on paperwork, or simply knowing the foundations or the genesis or of ChatGPT, copying and pasting prompts. Do you understand? All right, so now here is a growth gap. The crisis of stagnation. Many brilliant professionals are currently watching their years of marketplace experience slowly get bypassed by younger, highly agile, AI literate specialists. All of the things you think you have studied for years, all of the things you think you have known, you have built, the career you think you have built for 20, 30 years, a young child of 20, 25 years will get the same thing done in a split second, right? And make hell of money while you are still there waiting for 30 days to get paid get paid by your boss. Do you understand? So yeah, many brilliant professionals are currently watching their years of marketplace experience slowly get bypassed by younger, highly agile, AI literate specialists. So, and that is why this masterclass was built specifically to bridge this gap, help you bridge this gap, helping you transform or transition from stock execution to strategic high value leadership. You don't have to be an expert, you don't have to know all of the things you need to know. This masterclass is meant to be an eye opener to you or for you, right? And of course, helping you to see the areas you need to make improvement on. Do you understand? Now, here are three indispensable skills for now. I mean, right now, the very first skill I have here on my slide is what I call the AI architecture, moving past basic tools to building and connecting automated business workflows that solve complex problems. Businesses have complex problems, but they are also tired. As much as they have complex problems, they are also tired of hiring complex workers. I mean, complex workers in the sense that they're tired of hiring traditional and manual workers who will sit in the office on their rolling chairs, spend the next 4 to 5 hours thinking of how to solve this problem, spend the next 30 hours working on the problem, and of course spend the next 100 years looking for results from solving these problems. Businesses are also tired of this. They want results, right? They want to solve complex problems. And guys, complex problems right now can be solved by AI automatically. You can automate sending out emails. You can automate running your campaigns. You can automate creating blog posts, all done automatically, right, using AI. The second indispensable skill I have here is growth funnel, mastering modern digital systems mechanics that corporate brands gladly pay premium retainer fees to secure. Growth funnels, all of the things that needs to be plugged into a funnel to help a business get profit, right? Businesses are looking forward to paying high retainers to get all of this done. Yeah, we also have digital real estate, designing rapid UI layouts and functional landing pages to capture massive market attention. See, some 12 years back when I started out in digital marketing and tech generally, we used to build landing pages manually. I mean, we go to WordPress, start putting designs together, write headlines, write descriptions, add forms. But now a landing page was built in just 3 minutes. I mean, yeah, to give and take 3 minutes, prompting, ideating, and landing page design, all done in less than 5 minutes. Right? We ideated, we prompted, we refined the prompt, and then we built the landing page using AI platform. I mean, very good, high converting landing page. So this is what businesses are looking for to hire people for, not a guy that comes to the office and sit down and think of how to build landing page. It takes the next 7 days to build one single functional landing page. Businesses aren't looking forward to hiring people as archaic, as medieval a mindset as this anymore. Now here is a practical trap. Tutorial hell, right? Amassing multiple theoretical online certificates that look impressive on paper but provide zero actual marketplace results. A lot of people want to amass certificates, gain PhD certificates, gain master certificates, gain a trade skill certificate, but these skills don't amount to anything in the actual marketplace, right? Generic prompting. A lot of people already know how to use ChatGPT and some other LLMs, but they are still doing generic prompting, not getting any actual business results using this generic prompting. Now, here is the system I have created in my academy, building real world live operating systems that instantly demonstrate your strategic value to high paying international recruiters, right? So I've put up a system that allows you to build real world live operating systems that instantly demonstrate your strategic value to high paying international recruiters. I mean, I've put up a course that covers all of the things you need to know end to end, from foundation up onto expertise. Do you understand? And of course, with live projects, real projects, and internship, where you get to practice all of the things that you have learned from us. Now, here is a market demand curve, right? In 2022, the market demand curve was low, right? It began to increase in 2023, right? Now, you may be asking yourself, what exactly are they demanding for? There's now a global demand for AI literate professionals who understand corporate digital systems and of course are rising to the challenge. Do you understand? Yeah, so there's currently a global demand for AI literate professionals who understand corporate digital systems is rising exponentially. So anyone with global digital marketing experience that is AI inclusive, anyone with a growth marketing skill that is infused, that AI is infused into, right, become a hot cake right now. And of course, the trend has always skyrocketed. 2022 it was low, 2023 it increased, 2024 increased, 2025 increased, 2026 and beyond it is still increasing. Why? Because there's currently a global demand for AI literate professionals. Now the question becomes, are you an AI literate professional, or are just a guy sitting in the office waiting for the next paycheck? Do you understand? So now why learn with DSP, right? Here in DSP, I have not put up my program, or this program has not been put together to teach from outdated textbooks or unproven internet hypes. We have spent over 10 years plus. Personally, I have spent 12 years building custom digital infrastructure and scaling major brands across Africa. This masterclass is a direct translation of the exact workflow mechanics we deploy inside our premium client ecosystems daily. Now, you came through a funnel, you saw the advert most likely online or organically, and then you walked into the funnel. You came to the landing page, you read one or two information. That landing page you read from was built in 5 minutes by AI. You also converted as lead, you filled the form, do you understand? That form was built with AI. And then you move to the thank you page where you're currently watching the masterclass right now. Do you understand? So yeah, so this is what we mean by funnel, creating funnel by which people flow up until conversion. These are some of the things we also teach inside of our premium client ecosystem course. Do you understand? So yeah, we'll be happy to have you actually. Now, the ecosystem and transformation track. We built a hands-on technical simulator here. You won't just passively watch videos, you will actively construct, launch, and test actual automated workflows. Our curriculum is backed by a real marketplace internship, right, and direct visibility on our allied partner job board network to secure high-ticket roles rapidly. So we have built a job board also where you get listed on immediately are done with the program. I mean, guaranteed. So yeah, this is a comparison of your path, strategic feature, standard online courses, our AI integrated program. Now, the strategic feature would be methodology by which we gauge things, standard online courses, generic prompts, theory videos, our AI integrated program, hands-on simulated execution. We've got dynamic production ready systems, guaranteed real world placement, internship opportunity after your course, direct partner job board visibility. We'll get you listed on our job board as soon as I'm done with our program. Now, my singular advice for you is simple: become indispensable. The global shift is active. Claim your premium 3-month growth seat right now. We've got a 3-month growth access for you, right? You can tap below any of the links showing below this particular video, right, to secure your enrollment. Guys, once again, get reminded, the global shift is active, and it is active because AI is currently in vogue. Do you understand? AI has disrupted a lot of things, and businesses are looking forward to hiring people with proven AI skills that solves daily and complex business problems. I hope you take this opportunity very seriously. Thank you so much, and of course, I'll be seeing you. I hope to see you inside our course actually. And bye for now.